Hello, scholars, and welcome back. This is going to be your next segment in the process for learning how to navigate the Electa system, which is the LMS, Learning Management System, we use here at the WordWrite Institute of Eschatology. My name is Florence. I am the help desk team. And so this particular segment will be how to download and properly save your documents. So the first thing we need to do is we need to navigate to our Electa system. Log in. You will immediately be brought to the school dashboard. Once you're in the school dashboard on the left-hand side in the black area, you want to go to where it says courses. Now on your login, you'll have a segment that say My Courses. So you'll click where it says My Courses. Once you are in the course screen, you want to make sure that you're in the correct category. You need to be in active courses. Only active courses are the courses that you can access. Scroll down to where the course is that you need to navigate to. Click on the link or the image for that course, which will bring you to the open course screen. On this screen, you want to go to the green button that says open course. If you hover your mouse over it, you'll see where it pops up and says open course. Click the open course to open up the course and access your materials. The common resource area will be the area at the top that will contain your common resources that you will use throughout the entire course. Each segment within the course will have its own documents that you will need to access for that particular module. For the purpose of this training, we will go to the first module, which is the top one at the first one at the beginning. Each segment will be designated with some blue lines here to separate, so you'll know which module that you're in. It'll also be titled. Remember that the icon that looks like a video is strictly for your video replays. By clicking on this image here, you will be able to bring up your video and replay it for class. Now, each document that is downloadable, there's only 2 documents within each module that you can download. The first one will be your PDF, which is usually going to be your student workbook. The second one will be your writing template. Only these 2 documents are the documents you can download. The other icon, which looks like a push pin or text, they're strictly for the purpose of uploading your assignments, and each one is designated for its own document. To download your document, you click on the link for that document, which will bring you to the download screen. The download screen will be the dark screen where your document is located in. Okay, now that we are in the download screen, you need to move your mouse over to the upper right-hand corner at the top black bar. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see an icon that looks like a printer, and right next to it, you'll see an icon with a downward pointing arrow. If you hover your mouse over it, you'll see where it populates and it says download. Click that downward pointing arrow to start the download process. This screen that pops up is the File Explorer. As you notice, this is the Save As screen. So once you have come to this part, you need to navigate to the far left side. Make sure you're in the This PC area. Make sure that you can see where it says Desktop option. Make sure that you left click one time the desktop option just to highlight it. Once you have come to this point, you want to navigate to your school folder. For the purposes of this training, I'm using my help desk folder. So once you get here, you want to double left click your school folder to open up your other folders within the school folder. Once you are in the school folder, you want to double click and navigate to the correct folder for the class that you are in. For the purposes of this training, this is the RS201 class folder. So for this particular project, or for this particular segment, we're going to be using the RS-201. So as you see, I'm still here. I have not yet saved the document into the folder. Right now, before you do that, you want to title your document appropriately so that when you go to upload it, you can locate the correct document and upload it into the correct link. So here we come down and we left click one time to highlight. You want to click at the very beginning. Then you're going to type out the title or the class of the class that you're in, which is going to be RS for this training, RS-201. You're going to put another dash. Then you're going to type what you need to know. Okay. This is already got the part in here which class it is. So we know this is module 1. And we're just going to put a dash there. And we know that this is the student workbook. So we're going to leave that the same. But if it was not there, you would type in module 1, and then you put a dash, and then you would type out student workbook, you put another dash, and then at the very end, you're going to put your first initial in caps, and then type out your last name. Once that is done, then you want to double click the folder that it needs to be filed into. So you double left click that. Now, once you are in that folder, and how you know you're in that folder, you can look up here. It'll tell you that you're in this PC area on the desktop in your school folder, which this one for me is the WWIE2. And then the class folder is RS-201. As long as you know that you're in the right location, then you click the save button. And that is how you download your school documents and correctly save them into your class folders.